are fine and safe. Today I am going to read English chapter 3, The Eagle Who Wants More. Before reading this chapter, here is a picture story which I would like to discuss with you all. A boy asks his mother for cookies. His mother gives him 2 cookies, but he wants to have more. So he eats a lot of cookies. Too many cookies hurt his stomach and he cries in pain. From this picture story, we learn that we should always be happy with what we get and never ask for too much. Children, have you seen a boy asked cookies from his mother and his mother gave him 2 cookies. But what happened? He desired more from his mother, and after having more cookies, his stomach was paining. So children, we should never be greedy. We should always be happy whatever we have. Now see children, let's identify this picture. Which bird is this? Yes, this is an eagle. I would like to share some amazing fact related to an eagle. You know children, an eagle can see up to the 3 kilometers away. Yes, it can see up to 3 kilometers away. Eagles make nest in tall trees or rocks. Eagles lay 1 to 3 eggs at a time. I hope children you all enjoyed this amazing fact. Now let's read the chapter. Before reading, let me tell you one thing. Through this chapter, you all are going to understand that one should not be greedy. Now let's read. An eagle is hungry. It comes to a river. See, this is an eagle and it is very hungry. It comes to a river. This is the picture of a river. It sees a fish. What it sees? It sees a little fish in the water. It grabs the fish with its claws. But the fish is too small. The eagle wants a bigger one. You know, children, it grabs the little fish, but what happened? It could not hold it tightly. Why? Because it is very small. Now it wants bigger one. Now see, plop, it lets the fish go. What is the meaning of plop? The sound made when something falls into water. Soon the eagle sees other fish. It catches the fish. The one is small too. Plop, it lets the fish go. See, in this first picture, it sees the another fish in the water, and see in the second picture, it catches the fish, but it is also very small, and it's let the fish go. It's plop in the water. It's again fall in the water. Why? Because it is very small. See, it tells them all go. It is waiting for a big one. Now, what an eagle is waiting? It is waiting for a bigger one. It wants a big fish. Soon the sun sets. How will the eagle catch fish now? It cannot catch fish anymore. The eagle is hungry and sad. It wishes it had eaten all the small fish it had caught. Now what happened? The sun sets and still eagle is very hungry and sad. It wished that I should eaten that all the small fish which I have caught. The fish in the river are glad. We are free now because of this foolish eagle. All the fishes. Now see in this picture, all the fishes are enjoying. They are very glad. Why? Because of this foolish eagle, they all are free. I hope children you all enjoyed this beautiful story.